Wala pa. Okay, sige. Pero, sabay na lang siguro sila. At syempre, dahil dalawa lang naman kayo, alam na. With an average score of 93% from Music Foundation. Asan yun? Music Foundation Band of Dasmariñas. Congratulations! Our grand winner of Majorette Solo is Mariel Ann Cortez. Congratulations! Dito po tayo. Nakita naman natin yung mga winners, di ba? How about Nicole? Abral? Ikaw, Chan. Council members, Psych Romel, Tres Risa. Judges, please come forward for the photo op. First place, so congratulations. Okay, picture. Okay, ibayin natin yung setup pag yung whole band naman. And pagka tinawag po namin yung first place and champion, aakyat po yung isang representative, tapos yung picture po natin kasama lahat po ng bandmates and the trophy. Okay? Para kasama po lahat. Alright? Soy, dito ka na. For our first placer on our 2025 marching band competition with an average score of 85.66%. Congratulations, Los Estudiantes Band. Sir, ikaw na lang po ba? Akyat po, tapos picture po tayo. Kasama po yung buong banda. Please, come forward po. Members, council members, 0.5 para mas kita. Ayan. Ay, ito lang kami. Ay sir, okay lang ba dito ako? Yan. Ay brother, yan para kita sila. Alright. Yan, congratulations once again. Palakpakan po natin. Los Estudiantes Band. Parang 2 consecutive years na kayong no? First place. And our marching band competition champion for 2025 is hindi ko nasabi sir. With an average score of 97.66%. Congratulations, Music Foundation Band of Dasmariñas. Yan, palakpakan natin ulit. Our champions. Music Foundation Band of Das Marinas. Okay? Tutugtog daw ulit sila ng isa for the last time. Isang short performance lang. Si Sir Jigs po, ano si Sir Jigs ng Los Estudiantes?